friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Sky is Your Limit. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon to get instant notifications of our videos. So let's continue with the series on HTML. So in this 10th tutorial, we will see video tag, small tag and big tag. So let me give the small introduction of these three tags. Okay. So first, video tag stands for bidirectional override. This is used to override the current text direction. So it has one attribute named dir, means direction. So we have to specify the text direction as left to right or right to left. Okay, and then we will see small tag. So it defines smaller text and it is used to write copyright content or other side comments. Okay, and then we will see big tag. So big tag defines bigger text. Okay, so we will see these three tags in this lesson. So let me go to my Sublime Text Editor and let me first save the file. I will save the file in HTML folder. So let me give the name. Okay, so let's first write HTML syntax and let me give the title lesson 10. Okay, so let's first use this video tag. So this is the syntax of video tag. Let me first write here text. I will write here hello. Okay, and then this is the direction. Okay, so we have to specify the direction as right to left or left to right. Okay, so let me first type here right to left. So it will convert these text into right to left. Okay, so the output will be OLLEH. Okay, so let's first save this and let's see in the browser. Okay, so as you can see the output as expected. Okay, so let's change the direction. Okay, I will type another video tag and let me type LTR. Okay, and let's type here hello as well. Let me put here BR tag so it will be more clear. So let's save these and let's see in the browser. So as you can see the output as expected. Okay, let me use h1 tag. Okay, let me put hello in the h1 tag. So let's see. Let's save this and let's see the output. Okay, so oh, the text is at the right point. Okay, so if you use h1 tag into the video tag, it will move h1 text to the direction which we will specify. Okay, and if you will put video tag into h1, then it will first change the direction of the text and then the effect of h1 tag will be applied. Okay, so let's do this one, that one. Okay, so I will put video tag into the h1 tag. Okay, so the output will be expected. So let's save these and let's see in the browser. So as you can see the output as expected. Okay, so by this way you can practice this video tag. Okay, let me use a small tag. So this is the syntax of small tag and let's type here hello world, and let me first type simple text. Okay, so I will type hello world here also, and let me type here BR tag and let's use big tag also. Okay, so it will be more clear hello world. Okay, so let's save these and let's see in the browser. So as you can see the output as expected. This is the normal text. It is a small text. Okay, and this is a bigger text. Okay, So by this way you can practice this code. You can use a font tag or heading tags in these, okay? So it is your choice, so what you need to do, okay? So it is enough for today. We will meet in the next tutorial. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye. Thank you.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.